Hello and welcome. Today we will explore a marvelous and diverse world, the world of insects in nature. Insects, these small and diverse creatures, are often overlooked in our daily lives. However, they play a crucial role in the ecological balance of our planet and in the lives of humans. Join us as we explore them from a fresh perspective through the sharp lens of this program. Our journey begins with an exploration of the diversity of insects worldwide. With over 1 million described species and many more yet to be discovered, the world of insects is indeed a treasure trove of mysteries. From tropical rainforests to the polar regions, insects have adapted to every environment. They come in a multitude of vibrant colors, intricate patterns, and unique lifestyles. We'll have the opportunity to marvel at beautiful images of these insects in their natural habitats. Beyond being nature's own artists with their unique appearances, insects also have vital roles within ecosystems. They assist in the pollination of flowers, fertilize crops, and serve as a food source for various wild animals. They also contribute to the decomposition of organic waste and participate in nest building, thus playing a significant part in the global ecological balance. However, insects face numerous challenges. Habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change are taking a toll on their populations. We will explore measures for protecting and conserving these remarkable creatures and understand why maintaining their diversity is of utmost importance. Throughout this program, we will meet researchers, wildlife scientists, and insect enthusiasts who will shed light on the fascinating world of insects and how each of us can contribute to their protection. So, let's embark on this exciting journey to discover the diversity and importance of insects in the natural world. Get ready to be captivated and awed by the wonderful world they inhabit. Insects are not only a vital part of the ecosystem, but also a source of inspiration for many artists and researchers. For instance, they have spurred creativity in the fields of design and engineering. Modern engineering projects have drawn inspiration from the structure and operations of insects. A prime example is the study of insect wings to develop energy-efficient unmanned aerial vehicles. One cannot discuss insects without mentioning their wondrous forms and colors. Insects have evolved intricate patterns and vibrant colors to adapt to their environments and interact with each other, from butterflies with radiant wings basking in the sun to beetles with iridescent hues. They are truly living works of art. What's particularly fascinating about insects is how they interact with their environment and each other. Imagine a hive of honeybees working diligently to produce sweet honey. They are a perfect example of how insects organize into a society with distinct roles, such as worker bees, queen bees, and drones. Each individual has a specific task, but they collaborate to maintain the hive. However, insects are not just about their beautiful appearances and creative forms. They are facing challenging issues. Changes in their habitats and climate change. Threaten the existence of many insect species. The use of agricultural chemicals is also detrimental to them, significantly reducing their numbers. But here we believe that there is hope and ways we can help. Researchers are working tirelessly to study and conserve insects. We can also participate in protecting them by reducing the use of harmful chemicals and preserving their habitats. In conclusion, insects are not merely small creatures in nature. They are an inseparable and crucial part of Earth's life. Let's work together to safeguard and conserve this diversity so that our world will continue to have these marvelous insects for future generations. Thank you for joining us in today's program. And please continue to follow us to discover more about the diverse world of insects.